Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne, and what we'll show you guys, if your rear window defroster doesn't work, which fuse to check, guys. There is a relay as well, we'll have a video on that, please check it out. Now, we'll have guys more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All the electrical videos will be on this channel, mechanical videos guys will be on our main channels, road mechanics and auto repair guys, so please give a subscribe. Now, this is the rear window defroster guys, right here. Okay, rear window defroster. It's a really tinted window, so it's hard to see it, but you can see those things, that brown things, that's the defroster. Now the fuse for that guys, you need to open the door. Okay, once you open your door guys, right here, you can see that cover. Okay, it needs to come out with a plastic panel remover tool like that. You need to open it. Okay, you have 5 clips here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. The fuse numbers are printed on the back side and we need to find fuse number 39. This fuse. Okay, number 39. So 39 guys, okay, it's that 5M fuse. It's the second one from right to left. 1, 2, this one right here. So we need to go ahead, remove it. This is the fuse that controls the relay for the defroster. Pull it out, replace it now. Okay, just put it in. Now, you have guys another fuse. Okay, we're not ready. There is another fuse for the rear window defroster. That's the main fuse. Not for the relay. Okay, that's the fuse. It's a 30M big fuse and it's on the right side of your vehicle. Okay, we're going to remove that cover now. And under the cover guys, okay, we'll have fuse number 18, which one will be the 5th fuse from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 30M fuse will be the main one. Okay, so check this one as well guys. Okay, so any of the 2 fuses guys is for your window defroster. If you have problem with it, check these fuses. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hopefully guys we can save you quite a bit of money, and see you guys next time.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.